Hey, if you want to cast your Android phone screen to your TV, first you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on your phone and also on your TV. You have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then on your phone you have to find option screencast. It's located, in my case, just right here. It also could be called screen mirroring. If you don't have it right here on your quick panel, you can tap on this pencil icon to find it somewhere here. So for example, if this option appears right here, you can drag it, click hold and drag to the first place. And then you have to simply open this option by tapping on it. And right now it is searching for the nearby devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, like on our phone. You can also go to the settings by tapping, and here you will get a little bit bigger list of the nearby devices. In my case, I don't have any nearby devices around me, so I cannot cast, but also you have to turn on your TV while trying to find your device. And yeah, that's all. Bye.